Hello, welcome to visit our Info Furniture Company's production workshop. This is our raw materials warehouse. Now here is the parts and component sections of our office chairs and ergonomic chairs. This is the assembly of the ergonomic chairs headrest part. Back frame parts assembly. Backrest frame parts assembly. Seat frame parts assembly. Chair chassis assembly. Machine cutting fabric. Mesh joinery. Net fabric assembly. Machine testing room. We produce hundreds of ergonomic chairs every day, and this is our finished product area. Each of our ergonomic chair is manually tested before leaving the factory. Finally, our videos ends here.